Hello, good morning, people. Good morning, perfume community. It's been a long time that I haven't registered a new video, but I came today in this morning here in Algeria. Today I bring with me Voyage De Hermes. Voyage De Hermes. It's a fragrance by the house of Hermes, this French house, this beautiful French house that always came with better fragrance in the market, in the side of the good scent and the clearness of the notes. Today I bring for you this beautiful bottle, Voyage De Hermes. Before start to the presentation of the bottle and the fragrance on itself, I would like in the first time to tell you about an history that I have with this fragrance before I buy it, and how I know this fragrance. In 2015, I was working in Algeria with my friend who is called Abdeslam. Now he's traveled to Canada, and he was wearing this fragrance when he came to the office in the 7 a.m. morning. I noticed a nice vibe and a nice scent, but I don't know who is wearing this. And in every 10 minutes or 15 minutes, when he walking near me, I notice a beautiful scent. And I wait until 12 o'clock, and I can't stopping asking him what he's wearing. And I ask him definitely in that moment, Abdeslam, what do you wearing right now? You're wearing a nice fragrance. And he said me, this one is called Voyage De Hermes. And from that day, I put in my mind that I should buy this fragrance. And alhamdulillah, that's what's happened. And I buy it. I will show you right here. I have a habit, always when I buy a new fragrance, when I do the unboxing of the fragrance, I write the full date. As you see here, unboxing on 20 February 2020 at 2014 o'clock by the night. So it's almost 2 years from now. The experience that I got from this fragrance, I will describe it with you right now. As you see here, this fragrance came with three kind of bottles. This one, what I bought, is 100 ml, as you see here, and the others are 35 ml and 125 ml. I think this last one, I think 125 or 150, I don't remember. I will describe with you this one. As you see here, it's a refillable bottle. Here is the front side Voyage De Hermes. And the little trick this here, you will find the logo here. In the top side we have nothing. In the bottom there is some informations. As you see here, they mentioned the batch code for LABM. You can check this code in fresh. Check fresh to see this fragrance. The fragrance that I have is the 2014 batch, and as you see here, the top side we have nothing. There is something that I forget to mention. This fragrance came out in 2010. The nose behind this fragrance is Jean-Claude Elena. When this fragrance came out to the market, it came out with concentration of eau de toilette, and 2 years after they came out with the pure perfume, because this fragrance has had get a big success in the market. This is the perfume version. I bought a refillable perfume, pure perfume. This is a refillable bottle for it. And as you see here, there is some instructions how you can fill and refill this bottle. Honestly, they do a nice job, and this is a nice design, especially who thinking to travel or something like this. Here we unscrew the cap, unscrew the sprayer, and we put here the refillable. Just follow the instructions. This pure perfume that I have, it's 2016 batch code BEAAN. You can check in Check Fresh. This is original. I will say something here. Jean-Claude Elena and the House of Hermes, they came with this fragrance. It's designer fragrance, but honestly I put it in the niche side of the fragrance, because when you smell this one you will be really excited of the clearness of the fragrance, of the notes. It's when you smell this one, you don't think in that moment that you are smelling before or something like that. As I show here, I will show you the sprayer of this one. The sprayer is good, it's very good. Wow, it's amazing. It's a niche fragrance. It's designer, yes, but I put it in the niche side. Here the cap is unscrew and you can refill the bottle. This little trick here, you can put and store it like this. This fragrance, when you smell it in the first time, in the opening, you will notice the cardamom, the lemon costa almafi, and some spices. And in the middle notes, after 15 minutes or 20 minutes, you will notice some green notes with tea and some floral notes. And on the base of the fragrance, after 1 hour, that came out with some woody notes, musk, cedar. It's really amazing. I recommend this one. Sorry, I recommend this one immediately. This one is belong to the line of floral amber musk. That's it. That's what I have for today. I recommend it very well, and the occasion to wear this one. If you have and acidity concentration. You can wear it in the summer days and in the spring days, and you can wear it also all the year. But the perfume, I recommend to wear it in the fall and the winter, and in the cold weather of the summer and the cold night, I mean. So that's all what I have. I recommend it very well, and thank you for watching this video right now, and just subscribe to reach our channel. Always there is news, always new fragrance. Bye bye, see you later.